Hello everyone, I'll show you how to make bakery style naan khatai or besan cookies easily at home. These delicious cookies are made with simple ingredients from the kitchen. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee, 1/4 cup dry grated coconut. Roast for few seconds on low heat. Add chopped dry fruits. I have used almonds and cashew, 1 tablespoon each. Roast for a minute. Remove quickly once cooled or it might burn. Let it cool completely. Take half a cup of rava. Add 1 cup besan, half cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. Add half a cup of powdered sugar. Now add in the roasted mixture. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix everything nicely. Add half cup of ghee. Give a quick mix. Add 3 tablespoon milk gradually and knead a stiff dough. You don't have to knead a lot. Just bring all the ingredients together until it forms a stiff dough. Cover and let it rest for half an hour. Now take the desired portion of dough and shape cookies. Don't worry about the cracks. Top with some pistachio and almond slices, some sesame seeds. This dough makes 10 medium-sized cookies. Now you can bake these in both the ways, in oven or without oven in a simple kadai. Follow the instructions given on the screen. Once baked, let the cookies cool completely. Do not touch or try to remove them before they are cooled, since they might break. Make and enjoy these delicious crunchy cookies and share your feedback in the comment section. Like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.